Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new here, welcome. And today I'm actually in Disneyland, so I'm going to be doing a lot of vlogs and I'm going to break it down in segments. So I'm going to just do a whole bunch of stuff, so stay tuned to what I get into, you guys. If you guys haven't already, definitely hit the subscribe button right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. So the first thing I'm going to do on my list, I'm going to go to the Black Tap restaurant, and that is going to be in downtown Disney. So let me take you on this journey with me. So let's get ready for some adventures, you guys. And we're back, you guys. We are actually at the Black Tap restaurant, so we're going to dive into some food, you guys. Well, this is the cake shake, and literally it's so colossally big. Like, I can't even believe how huge this is, and I know this is going to be a messy drink. And I actually got a all-American burger to pair with it. So this is what I got. Something very simple, nothing too extravagant. Burger and shake, can never go wrong with that. But let's see how this tastes. It tastes like a regular vanilla shake, but it's good. Let's see how the cake tastes. It's a good confetti cake. It's just so huge, like I have to take some of the cake off and put it on another plate and actually eat it, because I don't know how I'm going to drink this. It's good, you guys. So on a scale of 1 through 5 stars, I will probably say like it's a good 4. It's a good milkshake. It's 4-star milkshake. Can never go wrong with it. It's just a lot. And I know I'm not going to be able to finish it myself. Okay, let's see how this burger tastes. Burger. It's a really good burger. On a scale of 1 through 5 stars, I would probably have to give it this like a 4-star burger. If you like it well done, you have to let them know that, because they won't do it well done for you. Okay, you guys, so we're pretty much done here at the Black Tap. When you come in here, you have to just wait in a little bit of a line, or however long the line is, and you get to the register. You order your food. They're gonna give you a little device to put your device on this little thing right here. And with that thing, it's like a GPS tracker. So whenever your food is ready, it's gonna track wherever you are in the restaurant, and they're gonna actually deliver it to you. So that was pretty cool. My overall experience was pretty good. The lines weren't too long to get in here. It was very short, thank God. Maybe because it's a Tuesday, but yeah, my experience was pretty good. The burger was good. The shake was good. I definitely would recommend it if you guys come down here, if you guys want to experience such a ridiculous shake that's really huge and cute and fun, and obviously Instagram purpose friendly. but other than that, you guys, let's get ready for our next stop. So you know I couldn't leave without showing you guys how the inside of the restaurant looks, because I was actually sitting on the patio area because I wanted to get the lively entertainment on the side of the street. So this is how the inside of the restaurant looks. Obviously you see a bar right there where people can actually sit and eat right in front of the people that are preparing your food. And then right next to that is where you're gonna see everyone making their shakes, which is so cool to see how they individually do every one of them. And then you're gonna pass by everyone waiting in this long line just to eat and sit down for a shake and burger, which obviously, surprisingly, isn't that much of a long line. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys love this review, and obviously hit the subscribe button right there, right in the corner, so you can watch my newest and latest videos that I do just for you guys each and every week. And if you guys did come here, let me know in the comment section below on what you guys ordered and what you guys think as well. And remember, you guys, it is your vision and it is whatever you make it, as long as you make it freaking fabulous. Until the next one, you guys. Bye.